So if you ever come to Porthmadog and you want to go Portmeirion, it's just along here a little bit further along. So we're here and Portmeirion's just here. And then now we're going to head around to Harlech down here. It's actually a really nice road along there as well, with some great views across the sea and the beaches. And then we'll end up at Machynlleth, and then there is a great pass at Machynlleth, so I think I might go on that. It takes you down to that massive reservoir. I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head. I think we'll do that. Welsh Highlands Railway, that is. There's so many cool things to do in the UK. Snowdonia. Lovely round here, look, golden sands. Where we're heading now, there's lovely golden sand beaches. I don't know what it's going to look like today, but last time I came down here, it was like I was in Australia or something. So Portmeirion is just down here on the right, there you go. Portmeirion, half a mile. If you ever get the chance to go there, just go there once. It's an experience. Check it out online and have a look, and you'll see what I'm on about. So if you do right here, that's the entrance to Portmeirion Village and Gardens. Probably closed this time of year actually. Dogelli, and I'm not even going to try and pronounce that top name. So you try and pronounce that top name. Penrhyn-Dedredd, I don't know. That's too long for me. Harlech, that's where we're going. A496. Look at the golden sand. Tide will be coming in now actually. See Harlech Castle just perched over there on the edge of the cliffs over there. You see the silhouette of it. When you come through these roads in the summer, it's pretty busy. And I remember trying to get through here in the car, in these little villages. Traffic everywhere. So actually it's really nice today. Harlech. How do you say that? Y-N-Y-S. Ennis? Winus? So in the summer you've got huge golden sand beaches over here. And when you come across that top bit up there, you can see it if you take the other road. There's Harlech Castle. Again, it's worth a visit here if you ever want to go for a wander around. You can go in the castle up on the turrets and everything, I think, last time I came. Oh yeah, I can see some people up there. Train. So I suppose that train goes to Aberystwyth and down past Barmouth. Crikey, that building's seen better days. Look, you can see the view I was on about now. Golden sand dunes. Such a nice view across there. If I get a chance to pull in somewhere, I will. So we can have a look. Look at the coastline on there. Imagine living up here as well. That is a lovely beach, that. Wow. This wouldn't be a bad place to live, I don't think, right here. Look, they've got a lovely balcony looking out across that. That's not a bad place to live, is it? So when you come here in the summer, you can imagine that beach back there, look at it. And more. In fact, the beach goes, I think as you get around this headland now, there's more beach. So let's have a look where we are now on the map. Heading down the Barmouth way at the moment. Not too far from Machynlleth. So yeah, it looks like we get to Barmouth and then do a left. That's what we'll do. I remember this bit being absolutely rammed when I came through with the car. Just trying to squeeze through here, there were people with caravans and motorhomes. Massive sand dunes over there. The beach is actually lovely up here, isn't it? It's massive. It's just because it's Wales, you don't really, it's not hot very much in the summer. You get the odd day here and there. I remember I remember when I lived here, just didn't really get a chance to go to the beach much because it was just always cold or raining. In fact, today we're really lucky that there's no rain. You never get a perfect day, so no rain today, but it's freezing. If it warmed up, it will probably rain. So you just got to make do with what you got. Everybody looks freezing. Let's go down to the sea. There's the beach in front. Yep, fair's all shut. And there's the beach. Not a bad beach at all. Quite a lot of stuff here, isn't there? So you can sort of get a feeling how busy it must get in the summer with all these shops and restaurants and hotels. Milk bar. And that was Barmouth. It's got a nice golden sand beach. That's probably the best thing about the place. Tide is definitely on the way in now. Okay, so we're here now. We've been up there, around there. You can see the loop we did. Now we've got to decide where we're going to go next. So I've just looked at the map. Barmouth's just behind me. I think next we're going to head to Machynlleth and then go across that mountain pass from Machynlleth down to that huge reservoir. I can't remember the name of it, but it goes right across here. So it's an absolutely stunning road. Let me just have a look. Yeah, down here. But yeah, I remember going over there once. It was really nice. So let's go and do that. So we've got 26 miles to get to Machynlleth. So Barmouth to Machynlleth. That's what we're doing now. So I've done a couple of tick lists so far today. We've been to the Great Orme, we've been to Barmouth, and now we're going to do a mountain pass. So that's 3 good things today. And 1 bad thing, the bike falling over. That was bad. That must have been a mission to cut those trees down. That is like a sheer drop. Here we go. It looks like there's a 4x4 convention going on. And bikes, lots of them. What a dickhead. To Barla and you know Barla Lake, which is on my other video. Today I was just trying to use roads that I haven't been on the bike. I'm going right then. Machynlleth 13, Aberystwyth 31 miles from here. These roads are better again, aren't they? There's been quite a few roadworks actually today. Over the place. Throughout Wales. Pontivy Bridge liable to flood. If that water goes over the top of that, that must be bloody high. Okay, we're now entering Powys. So we're in Machynlleth now, and this is where we're going to take a mountain pass. Machynlleth, I think that's the reservoir I was on about. What? Mountain road closed 4 miles ahead. Don't lie. Oh my god. Mountain road closed 4 miles ahead. That's bad. So I have to find another way. I really wanted to go over that road as well. Let's just go and check. We'll go and check. It's only 4 miles. We'll go and check and we'll see, because sometimes it says closed and it's just because they're cutting trees down, so I might be able to get through still. So I'm not too sure where we're going at the moment. We just came down this way because it was the direction that I wanted to go, but I don't know where the road closure is, so I'm just going to keep going and we'll just see where we end up. See, where does that road go? Let's stop and check the map again. This should take us down near there. Van. That's where we want to get to. Let's see what routes there are. That's where we want to be. Let's do it. That'll take us down here near the reservoir. As long as this isn't the road that's shut. Heavy snow, road ahead closed. There's no heavy snow now. Oh, this is a great road. No one about. Spectacular views. Oh, what more do you want? I've got a bit of a climb down there. where that car's coming down. Climbing now. And cold. 4 degrees now. Better watch out for ice if it gets any colder. Look at that ravine down there. Wow. This is a good road, this. Three degrees. Wow, it's definitely getting cold. 3 degrees. View goals. Well, 1,500 feet now. So we're going up and up and up. So we could see some snow and ice. If we do, I'll just have to ride very carefully. Oh yeah, it could be over there, look. That looks like it's in the cloud. Ears just popped. Wow. This is what I love about it up here. Look at it, it's so open. Two degrees now. Whoa, it's definitely getting cold. I'm gonna have to stop and layer up because this is getting too cold now. Okay, we will stop. We'll put another layer on. Okay guys, so heading across the mountain pass on the way to that reservoir. It just got so cold, it's 1 degree now, as you can see there. So it was getting freezing, I had to layer up. My coffee was still warm in the flask from yesterday, so I had one of them. You wouldn't want to break down up here and be stuck because it's absolutely freezing, man. Right, let's hit the road. Heated grip should be nice and toasty. Let's get out of here.